so we're now recording. Gosh, I hate that. But that's just that's the regular phone notification. And so for my fire department, I was going through seeing what all they had, and they've got a whole bunch, so we'll go through all of them. There's the first one. I hate that one. Nope. That one.
Engine. Ladder.
That one's interesting. And this next one, I don't know why they have it on here, but it's interesting. We got that one. Nope, skipped one, but that's alright. A bunch of these are funky, but... This one I like. There's that one. That one's interesting. That's New Zealand. And then you've got this one. And then a couple others I've added from an app called Zedge. Pretty cool. That one sounds similar to this next one. So yeah, those are all the ones that I looked on active and a couple of my own. But the one I usually like, I like this New Zealand call out. And so yeah. Awesome. That's it. Thanks.